Hello and welcome to Friday's Assembly, the Celebration Assembly. And I'm so glad you're here because we have lots of awards to give out. But before we give out the awards, let's do a bit more singing. Let's do Wake Up, Shake Up again because I know that gets me really ready for the day ahead. Are we ready? Let's go. Wow, I think I heard you sing from all the way in my office. Well done. Keep that up. Singing really does make us feel better. Now, it's time for our awards. And the first one being going for gold. First, we have Leads class. We have Caden for making a great effort with his home learning and engaging every day. In York class, we have Anna for her amazing Fred talking during phonics and Cohen for his super effort with his online learning. In Hall class, we have Michelle for her amazing commitment to home learning and producing awesome work. In Nottingham, we have Julia for her brilliant sentences when learning about suffixes, and Susanna for her amazing efforts with all her home learning. In Liverpool, we have Jake H. for fantastic effort in his home learning, and Ella B. for super effort in her home learning. In Cardiff class, we have Ruby M. for working so incredibly hard. She's pushing herself to do more challenging work every day and producing brilliant results. In Cardiff class, we also have Eric for completing work every day and putting in a massive effort in all of his learning. In Edinburgh 1, we have Christians for having a go with some tricky home learning tasks and challenging himself every day. We also have Peyton for her bravery in completing her work in a variety of different ways, including by video. Peyton has completed an amazing amount of work, which is beautifully presented and shows she has pride in her work. In Edinburgh 2, we have Oscar for his excellent times table knowledge. Miss Lofthouse is so impressed by the work that he's been doing practicing his times tables. In Cambridge class, we have Julia for her beautifully presented work in all of her subjects. We also have Lacey for showing enthusiasm when completing her online learning. In Oxford class, we have Oscar for completing his online task to a good standard. He is always helping his siblings with their work too. We also have Benjamin for always being enthusiastic on teams and for completing his online work to a good standard and learning new skills at home, such as cooking. In Lincoln and Chester class, we have Zach for trying super hard in his Zoom lessons, working as independently as he can. Well done to all these children. Excellent. Well done. What a wonderful job you've done this week. Now we have Year of Being Brave awards. First, in Leeds class, we have Esme for showing disciplined bravery and making paper airplanes and flying them to see which design worked the best. In York class, we have Zach for persevering and practicing his letter writing even when he found it tricky. In Hall class, we have Alicia for helping her family this week. She made the most amazing tacos. In Nottingham class, we have Harrison for showing disciplined bravery in his English work with his handwriting. We also have Jacob E&J for showing intellectual bravery around the new learning of subtraction. In Liverpool class, we have Casper M for disciplined bravery by having a go at home learning task. We also have Jack for his perseverance for keeping going on learning to tell time. In Cardiff class, we have Gracie for doing well with her home learning, but also practicing lots of other skills at home, such as crafts, cooking, and baking. Next, we have Rosie in Cardiff class because she's joined teams nearly every day and is always sends in her work. She has really worked hard. In Edinburgh 1, we have Kian Dwayne for a superb effort with his home learning, completing tasks and activities to a high standard, and joining teams meetings, showing good manners and listening. We also have Casper for his super effort with his home learning and challenging himself to complete tasks, including the tricky ones. In Edinburgh 2, we have Alan for intellectual bravery. He has really taken his time with his maths this week and has not given up when it was tricky. Keep it up. In Cambridge class, we have George and Harley J for showing intellectual bravery when they join us this week for our team's meeting. In Oxford class, we have Artur for being disciplined when completing his work and for being really helpful to Mr. Dudley and the children in the school bubble. We also have Bernice for her often volunteering to read pages of the class novel on Teams and for always completing her online work to an excellent standard. In Lincoln and Chester class, we have Ramaya for disciplined bravery, for regularly attending Zoom lessons and trying his best in both English and in maths. Another fantastic group of children receiving awards this week. Let's give them a hand. Well done. Now for our new special award, the Head Teacher Award. Now, during the week, I have Betty who visited me, and she helped me go through our tapestry and teams work to decide on who was going to get these awards. Here we have a picture of Betty helping me. She couldn't be here today, but she was very pleased to help me in that job this week. First, in Head Teachers Awards, we have Connor in Cambridge class, Tyler in Edinburgh 1, and Ruby in York class. There are brothers and sisters who have been working really hard, posting their work to teachers on Tapestry, and we have been really impressed by their excellent work ethic. Well done to all of you. We next have another family. Oscar in Oxford class, Emily in Cambridge class, Archie in Cardiff class, and Esme in York class. Again, another family doing some amazing work, lots of effort, and posting consistently the work. And we also really like how they help each other in their learning. Well done to all of you. Next, we have Bailey in York class. He has sent in lots of work. He's been doing lots of art, maths, and phonics. Really impressed by that, Bailey. Well done. And then we have someone in Oxford class, Lexi. Lexi gets this for her power reading work and working hard in her maths, even though she found it a bit difficult. What a fantastic group of children again that we have. I'm so proud of all of you. Keep up the good work, and I can't wait to see more of your work online in the next week. Let's give them a big hand. Well, that's it for this week. It has been an amazing one. Again, we are so impressed by the hard work the children, the parents, and the staff have put into making sure that the children are still learning to a high standard and making sure that everyone is safe, happy, and healthy. We'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.